Welcome everyone, this is Jyoti Kiran Leo back to you. Let's see today on how to get started with Anypoint Code Builder in two ways. One is accessing it through the platform. Right now I'm logging into my Anypoint platform using my username and password. And the second way is going to Visual Studio Code and then downloading the plugin. So we'll explore the first way right now. So I go to my home page. So here you can see Anypoint Code Builder on the top, or you can also navigate it by clicking the hamburger on the top and clicking on the Anypoint Code Builder, the first option. So here I'll click get started, and once you are here it will give you this dialog box which has get access to Anypoint Code Builder and the license agreement. Once you accept this, and you can only accept once you scroll all the way down in this pop-up, and then when you click on get access, now you will have access. So here are the two ways. Either you can launch web-based IDE or you can download for the desktop. So if you click on install here, that will download, open Visual Studio Code. So if you see, I have a extension pack here. So if you click on install, that will install all of these 7 extension packs, and these are all for the Anypoint Code Builder. While it's installing, let's go back to our web IDE version and click on launch. If you're starting it for the first time, it will take few minutes. Give it time. So this is a new update here. Here you have the themes as well to get started with Visual Studio, light and dark theme. Once you select one, here is the Anypoint Code Builder, and here it's still installing. Once it's installed, you will find this Anypoint Code Builder button here at the bottom in the Visual Studio Code. So here you can see the Anypoint Code Builder, and you can start designing an API, implementing and develop an integration. Hope you like it. We'll see you in the next video on how to develop the code. Thank you.